Hi, experience with MITCON as a guest lecturer was awesome. Students are very vibrant. They like to learn. They wanted to keen on that. I got a very warm welcome when I reached to MITCON. When I met Professor, he was also very vibrant personality. Was very happy that he's from industry. He served the industry, and then he's serving the student now. So it's very good for the industry people when they join MITCON to nurture the students who are becoming the future leader, and they need to groom it right away. So I got an opportunity today to speak on leadership competencies for these future leaders, and I'm so happy for this opportunity. Thank you, MITCON.